Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series. Question number 14. What is the value of 1 to the power of 3a plus 1 to the power of 2a? One note here is 1 to the power of any number is equal 1. For example, if we have 1 to the power of negative 1, that equal 1 divided by 1 equal 1. If we have 1 to the power of 0 is 1. Any number to the power of 0 is equal 1. So 1 to the power of 3 equal 1 times 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Okay, so in these questions we have 1 to the power of 3a plus 1 to the power of 2a so 1 to the power of 3a is 1 plus 1 to the power of 2a is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. We don't care what a 3a is, what a 2a is, as long as we have choose random any number of a, you will have a number. So 3a in this case will be a number when you choose an a, and 2a also a number. So we have like 1 to the power of number plus 1 to the power of number, and we know that is equal 1 for that. So 1 plus 1 equal 2. So C should be the right answer. Thank you for participating in this series. See you next time.